the magic wishing stone. Once upon a time, in the heart of a lush forest, there lived a young girl named Alara. Alara was a curious and adventurous soul, always eager to explore the hidden wonders of her woodland home. One day, while wandering through a sun-dappled clearing, Alara stumbled upon an ancient stone, smooth and gleaming with an otherworldly aura. As she picked up the stone, it felt warm to the touch, pulsating with a faint energy that hummed through her fingertips. Intrigued by her discovery, Alara carried the stone back to her humble cottage, her mind brimming with questions about its origins and its mysterious power. As she sat by her window, gazing at the twinkling stars above, she whispered her deepest wish into the stone's hollow center. "I wish for the ability to heal the sick and wounded," she murmured, her voice filled with hope and determination. As she spoke, the stone glowed brighter, its warmth intensifying. A gentle breeze swept through the cottage, rustling the leaves of the nearby trees. Alara felt a surge of energy coursing through her veins, a sense of newfound power that filled her with both excitement and awe. Over the following days, Alara's wish began to manifest in extraordinary ways. She discovered that she could soothe the pain of injured animals, mend broken bones with her touch, and even alleviate the suffering of the sick and elderly. News of Alara's miraculous healing powers spread throughout the forest, reaching the ears of a wise old owl who lived high atop an ancient oak tree. The owl, known for its vast knowledge and understanding of the forest's magic, descended from its perch and sought out Alara. "Your compassion and selfless spirit have awakened the stone's healing magic," the owl explained, its voice filled with wisdom and admiration. "You have been chosen to be a guardian of the forest, to use your gift to bring comfort and healing to all who need it." Alara was humbled by the owl's words, her heart overflowing with gratitude for the gift that had been bestowed upon her. She vowed to use her powers wisely and responsibly, dedicating her life to helping others and protecting the delicate balance of the forest. From that day forward, Alara became known as the Forest Healer, her name whispered with reverence and admiration by all who dwelt within the woodland realm. She continued to care for the sick and injured, her healing touch bringing solace and hope to countless creatures. And the magic wishing stone, once hidden and forgotten, became a beacon of light and healing, a testament to the power of compassion and the extraordinary gifts that lie dormant within each of us.